target towing for training and a few other things. It was definitely not designed with airshow performances in mind. Look at how tight, though. He keeps the performance right in front of us. Right here is center stage. It should be 350 knots minimum on the engine. Just floating over the top. Now he looks up through the top of the canopy to pick up the horizon. Now he starts to feel the G-force once again, shoving him into the seat of the cockpit as he recovers out of that beautiful starter move. Now he's going to perform for us another classic aerobatic maneuver. It's called the Cuban 8. It's a great big figure 8 lying on its side, right at show center. Chooses that 45 degrees line and will roll the T-33 upright to complete the Cuban 8. Now you might be wondering why we're listening to a little bit of Elvis. Well, this is by request by Scratch Mitchell. Adds a little extra flair, if you will, to his performance here this evening. I told you folks that he's going to be flying this T-33 right to the limits of its capability. This next maneuver should be a high-speed pass. It's going to be about as fast as you can go in the Lockheed T-33.
This is the 1954 RCAF T-33, one of the last ones retired and placed into viable storage in 2004. Has a larger D10 Rolls-Royce engine, extra plus and it's now owned by Dylan Arrow out of Phoenix, Arizona, and the 18th memory year of the Air National Guard. Celebrate their 75th anniversary.
Now, like I said, the T-33 not really built for airshow performances, but with the right person at the controls, you can do all sorts of interesting things, including this next maneuver, which is called the slow roll. Watch this from the left. This next maneuver, he's looking for about 250 knots minimum in this next maneuver. He calls the oblique 8. We saw the Cuban 8. That's the figure 8 lying on its side. This is a figure 8 essentially lying flat in the center of the show box. Let's watch as Scratch continues to yank and bang here with the T-33.
In partnership with Dylan Arrow and Blue Sky, Scratch's film company, Film Night Aerial Imagery, recently modified for a new length film with the installation of very cool and expensive camera gear to become a camera ship for several of Scratch's exciting upcoming projects. Scratch chose the name Film Night to honor the RCAF.
So far in the T-33. Are you enjoying this performance? We're going to see some more. Well, there is his hard to have because he's now setting out this time all the way to perform hollow balls in show center. During this maneuver, he's going to have to stick all the way to the stops to get this T-33
and operates a unique 6-axis gimbal built and modified for high velocity by Gyro Stabilized Systems in Grass Valley, USA. No other gimbal camera system performs like this. Easy does 400 plus knots and 5.5 G turns with a rock-solid image and perfect flat horizon. It's been successfully flying on the following platforms around the world: Saab aircraft, Del-39, Saberliner, Quick Commander, and many more.
Well, folks, you've seen the slow roll, you've seen the double roll. Here's the hesitation roll from the left. Pitching up. Rolls the airplane to the inverted position, holds it there for just a second, and then completes the second half of that 360-degree roll.
Providing their hangar, and extra thanks to Peacemaker Films, film partnership right here in Vancouver.
Demonstrating the turning capability of the T-33. Well, that obviously was not a level 8 because Scratch just skipped a maneuver in his script. That was obviously the 4-point hesitation roll.
On that side, the trim had connected in like one little spot, and that's exactly where your butt was. That one, like 2 inches.
Yeah. Also combining film and aviation, but was inspired as a child when he saw the Concorde fly and became a passionate aviator.